we are back again with some good news. The good news is that the legendary Tukutuku Joseph Makhanya has been promoted to the first team of Orlando Pirates Football Club after he managed to successfully promote some of the teams from DDC to the first team with the likes of Rile Mofokeng, Mwankota, Thabiso Sesane, Mbokazi, Silepe, and number of them into the first team. So Joseph Makhanya will be assuming his post or this role as the second assistant to Manzani Nkazi, whom is going to be the first assistant coach with the coach Abdel Salam Owadu. So in this coming season, he's expected to resume his role as the second assistant coach. We are saying halala tukutuku, halala ezimnyama ngenkani, halala. Orlando Pirates legendary was going to resume this beautiful role after so many years. I think the last coach that we had was Eric Tinkler. We saw Benson Mhlongo, some of the players that has played for the mighty Buccaneers coming back home and resume this leadership position. So Orlando Pirates is going to appoint Risco Klingsing, former head coach of DDC of SuperSport United, whom has worked very closely and achieved a lot in the developmental stage of SuperSport United. So that's a massive one. We as Buccaneers must be very proud of that brave move for appointing Coach Risco on the DDC of Orlando Pirates. When are we winning it? We don't know. But Risco, stembe wena. As for Tukutuku, we are saying halala Joseph. Halala the class of 2003, 2004, 2006, 2007 with the likes of Getle Remy, Lebohang Chispoe Mokwena, and it's so Vilikazi. We are saying we congratulate you, legendary. Thank you.